Starting a new project with the LDT, first click New Project. Connect your PC to the Vigilon panel. Click Refresh. The Connect button is highlighted. Click Connect. And then confirm the name of the project. And then create the project. And then retrieve the information from the panel. I can choose whether or not to edit site settings. I'll choose not to, and I go straight to the panel. Here we can see that I've connected to a panel that has got an earth fault and has got some faults. I've just reallocated, so I will go straight in and look at the loop details. Picture the loop map, and then quick at a glance I can tell from the green ticks and the red crosses that I've got a problem here with the relay breaker total, and I've also got an earth fault detected. And so what I can do is if I don't know what this means, I can click the red cross, bring up the context sensitive help, and this gives me all the information I might need to understand what the problem might be, and also give me tips on how to go about solving it. Each of these topics here has context sensitive help, here on loop voltage measurements, and here on what replies we're getting from the devices themselves. To stop it getting too technical, you really only need to worry about things when there's a caution or a cross. When you've gone to resolve the problem, you can reallocate the loop, or you can refresh the data. Because I've not actually solved the problem, this is still coming back. And you can also ask it to continue the refresh, so you get a running update. So if you're getting someone to try and solve the problem, you can see here when the problem has been solved. However, because I've not done any fault finding, I'm not going to see that. What I'm going to do next is try and locate the earth fault. So this active button here, click this. I can retrieve the information, and it's showing me that there are problems with the loop, and I have potentially multiple earth faults on these devices that are flashing in yellow. Obviously this is a false situation. Hopefully you won't have a loop this bad.